So this video is sponsored by KAIWEETS. All right, so a couple weeks ago, they reached out to me and wanted me to test out this digital voltage tester. You can get these on Amazon for $16.99. This is the heavier duty model with the LCD display. Really thick and heavy duty, like I said, versus the standard basic pen stick style that I had before. So this one doesn't work quite as well. This one has a few more features on it. It's heavier duty and it's got some cool features. So I want to go over that here with you today and just kind of show you what we're working with. But look at the belt clip on this thing. Really thick compared to this thin style one, which probably breaks pretty easily. But you can put this in a bag, you know, pant pocket, shirt pocket, etc. But I'm gonna go over some of the settings here, and then I want to show you this awesome flashlight on it. It's dual range, low sensitivity, so whether you're working with, you know, irrigation wiring, thermostat wiring, or even like a doorbell, right? Versus testing it on just certain outlets, right? Let's give it a shot. So I want to show you the difference. So we're just back in my shed here, and pardon the cobwebs, but I want to show you a little bit closer look here, the differences. So here's a size difference, right? I mean, it's not that much bigger, but it is bulkier, beefier, thicker. And look at the size of the light. What I like about this one, the light is obviously a lot bigger and brighter, but it's also behind the probe, right? So it actually lights up the display a lot better. So whether you're in a basement, you know, crawl space, looking at a breaker box, which I'll show you right here, and versus this one, the light is right in front of it. So I'm gonna do a comparison side by side of that. But let's turn it on here. You hold it down for about a second. You get a nice green backlit LCD display, dual range, like I said, low and high sensitivities. You just press the button. You'll see a red flash at the top. And then it's gonna detect live and neutral wires. But I really like how it's got the percentage bar, so it's gonna beep at a higher frequency the stronger voltage that it detects. And then you're see an analog bar go all the way up. So that's kind of a really cool feature. And then I'll test out the flashlight. But this one here on the left, the Mufasha, is just such a base model. I don't really, you can clearly tell what's on. This one's kind of hard to see if, and like maybe like a real bright light. You can't really see that light's even on. It says high and low, but what's high and what's low, you can't really tell it lights up, but what's high and what's low, right? And then you got the light on there versus the flashlight here. And I'm gonna light this whole display up. You can kind of already tell the difference. So let's take a look. I'm gonna turn the lights off, actually. Test that out first. So here we go. Let's try to light up this breaker box the best we can. So, I mean, really easy to see, right? Look at that. Look at the light on that. Versus, oh, see, it already shut off. This one auto shuts off in 5 minutes. This one doesn't give you a whole lot of time. Let's see the light on this one. Oh, it's got a laser. Okay, that's kind of cool, but it's a small light. Look at the light difference. And what is this? What's that going to get you? So, yeah, big difference there, right? And let's take a look. Let's zoom in here. Percentage bar. Now let's get down here. Clearly see the difference, right? Versus something like this. Yeah, it still works. But I love the display on here. You can see exactly what you're getting. So there you go. That's it. Thanks KAIWEETS for sending this out. Awesome product, and I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.